Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to unmute ringtone in Xiaomi 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sound and vibration. And then you can see the option ringtone. If you want to unmute your ringtone, then simply swipe right and your ringtone will be enable and unmute. The another way to unmute your ringtone is go back to your home screen and then press your volume button and then click on these three dots, and here you can unmute your ringtone. Now simply click on this bell icon to unmute your ringtone. Your ringtone will be unmute. So this is the way to unmute your ringtone in Xiaomi 14T. Thanks for watching this video.